like the same in Milano or in Venice or in Rome, where we have people did a beautiful thing. I always try to find the reason for the project, architecturally speaking and interior design speaking, to sustain a certain vision.
On our trip to Italy, we got the opportunity to feature the Excelsior Hotel Gallia in the heart of Milan. Today's episode on Design Seat, we will be revealing how Italian architect and designer Marco Piva created unique hotel spaces that play with the volume and light. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel and have not subscribed to our channel yet, please click on that subscribe button to stay in the loop of more design and architecture contents. The heritage landmark that originally opened its doors in 1932 was transformed into a stunning architectural feature. With Marco Piva's exquisite touch, the heritage exterior transitioned seamlessly to modern interiors, creating timeless appeal. A classically vintage lobby sets the stage for a white chandelier curated with 180 pieces of Murano glass, making a grand statement in a waterfall of lights. This is not just a simple restoration project. Marco Piva embraced the challenge of fusing two different kinds of architecture with an interconnecting interior, matching styles from different eras. What's also unique here is the way Marco Piva decorates spaces using light as part of the interior design. In every space and volume, he leaves a beautiful sense of sculpture from his artistic touch.
My name is Marco Piva. I am from Italy, Milano. I used to work a lot outside the country. Till now, we succeeded to work in 81 different cities around the world. This building has been built nearly 1 century ago. There are two different languages. The first one has been based on a Belle Époque kind of design, so with the richness of decoration, on the facade, with a lot of balconies and the decorative elements, like caryatide on top of the building. While the other one, that is a new one that I designed, I wanted to keep it within the concept of very simple, kind of contemporary building, glass made, so I didn't even want to relate to the material. So we wanted to create two really separate kind of architecture. What happened here, it was really damaged, by the time, so that we have all the spots here and there, and so we tried to renovate it completely. So we went through restoration of all the decoration. Because of the difference between the two architectural elements, I wanted to create continuity inside. So we selected a certain kind of approach to the interior, tried to deliver an idea of something that is solidly, permanently part of the structure. So we try to keep the very valuable architectural element. Obviously, we had to take care and to keep some elements, monumental elements, like the big staircase in the center of the building, some of the columns that are part of the original building in the historical section. I prefer to create a more private corner, for the people to sit together, to have coffee, conversation and so on. And so beside the cigar lounge, I created a library, and I created a sort of square area protected by glass, where we have a special kind of design for the sofas, and the people, they can stay there like in a private area. They can have their own space, you know, and I like this idea to focus on a central element, particularly kind of attraction, you know, in a space like that. Yeah.
The hallmarks of a grand hotel lobby are reimagined in striking visuals. Instead of creating big open space, Marco Piva curated private exclusive spaces. Modern interiors are crafted using the timeless qualities of glass, marble and light. Each facility of the hotel is crafted with unique design elements to offer memorable experiences.
So everything could be moved, even these counters, because this should be very dynamic. So in this place, for instance, we now discover there is a glass surface. We displayed Ferrari, Maserati, even a boat, you know, to show, to present them to the clients. You know. So from historical, you know, to contemporary to modern. You know. Yeah. And this connection, we'll go it later on, is interconnecting the whole Congress and meeting and exhibition area.
Marco Piva tells us he tries to collect the light into shapes that bridge designs of contemporary and past.
Special room, you know, that is more linked to old Italian Roman, you know, we call it calidarium, that means a place that is warm. This marble has been engraved. Yeah. This is my design. I did it by hand, you know, and then with the computer we create a systematic calculation.
Wow, this is so much detail.
Yeah, these two, you know, has been sculptured out of one piece of marble. This is the light of the sun coming through this element that is catching the light from the facade, you know. And this swimming pool has been designed irregularly, and again is realized with the same black stone that I use everywhere. It's shaped, you know, like an old structure. So we want to use this volume with all these reflections, the idea of to be like in between a ship and a starship, you know, flying over the city. And in the evening it's quite nice because all the station is lit up, you know, and like the square.
Each room is curated with contemporary design and the beauty of art galleries with more than 500 art pieces designed by Marco Piva's team and himself. In contemporary design, the rooms feature handcrafted and stylish elements. Using marble provides a striking contrast to the Belle Epoque structural design. This creates a glamorous living experience. The Catara Royal, the largest of its kind in Italy, is a luxurious statement of gold, white leather, glass and crystal with its own outdoor terrace.
So we created these little sculptures, you know, every room has its own.
Wow, there's a lot of sculptures.
A lot of different, you know. I consider myself a traveler, you know. I like very much to investigate about these differences that could be placed, let's say, in confrontation with my culture, to come out with some new vision, a new, let's say, cross vision that could link to new ideas.
Standing at the crossroads between history and modernity, Excelsior Hotel Gallia is at the pinnacle of the Milan hotel experience. The Excelsior Hotel Gallia is more than just a place to stay. Marco Piva has curated a space celebrating modern Milan at its finest, showcasing Italian craftsmanship and its rich heritage. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to help us grow our channel and stay tuned to more upcoming design and architecture contents. My name is Alex Lee, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.